is 5:30. We have planned to go for the beach. I don't know what is the situation right now. Let's see how it goes. Rain. Wake up, Rain. Rain. We are going to the beach. Come on. Hey. Wake up. Wake up. Steven. What are you doing there?
I'm cold.
You're cold. Wake up, wake up. Take the time.
5:47.
5:47. We are right on time.
Call Jim. Last call Jim.
You're right on time.
What Jill? If without Jill, no fun. Screw Jill. She's annoying.
Everything is recorded over here. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Use my slipper.
Is this? Are you guys slipper po?
Not gonna happen anything. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today, October 26, 2025, we are going to visit San Fabian Beach. It is approximately 18 km distance from the hotel, 25 minutes drive. Stephen really liked to swim in the beach, so I cannot miss this opportunity. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me.
Steven! Okay. Okay. Come in, bang. Oh, it's not running. You walk with daddy. Walk with daddy. No running. Walk with daddy. Hey, no. How about that? Come sit down, big one. Looks like that. Sit down. How's it? It's good? Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in the next video soon. Thank you. Okay, let's go home. The kid really wanted to go into the beach and play, but unfortunately we cannot spend much time over here.